Salve.
Tira pra caminhar.
Okay, one more. Salve. And then my Hotera, Ainiwe, ai mātou ki Kori. Kori.
Ko pano ni taku whakahua I tō ingoa kia āhua Itaria, te puta, Atareta, o whakaro.
Tino e hare ana ki te Wahi Festival ana ke kone ngā ahuri arereke, ngā whenua arereke.
Kate pai? Kari te koe? Yes. Well, here's a throwback for you, Te Whānau. This is 7-year-old Atareta in South Korea. Cute little fun fact too, that's the pari that I used to wear when I was her age. Fast forward to today and here we are in Italy at the Latium Festival, sharing Te Ao Māori with the world. It's pretty cool, but it's also grown to e Te Whānau. Heaps of performances, you've got to be flexible, you've got to be disciplined, and many lessons for Atareta and I. Nā reira, stay tuned, we've still got heaps more to share on this journey of Have Piu Piu Will Travel.
Adios.